Hi, my name is Shorful and welcome to another one of my videos where I talk about the real world of data. Now, I do quite a lot of hiring, whether it's for my own company or whether it's actually as an external consultant where I'm helping other companies build out data science functions, and we're doing a lot of hiring. Now, historically, when we've hired data scientists, we've looked for more technical skills, so people who can do machine learning, who can do computer vision, who can do NLP or text analytics, and that's where most criteria sort of ended. But now what I'm finding is that people are actually looking for data scientists with interpersonal skills, and there are actually quite a few now data scientists who have interpersonal skills. And the thing about these data scientists is that because they've got these interpersonal skills, they can relate to people, and that actually does make them stand out. These data scientists, when they are running a piece of analysis, they have an understanding and an empathy towards the stakeholder who's asked for the analysis. So what happens is that not only do they answer the business question by using their data science skills, but also they understand why the stakeholder wants that answer or why they want that question answered. And what happens is that when they're running their analysis, they're always thinking, okay, I've got to present this back to my stakeholder, so therefore I've got to make sure that I can explain each stage of the journey that I'm doing. And what's happened is, through that experience or through that journey, they've moved away from being people who are seen as behind the screen and people who are now more in front of the screen presenting. So now what I'm finding is that when I work with data science teams, those data scientists that have really good interpersonal skills are actually sought out by the business for their advice, and they become sort of trusted advisors because not only are they good at what they do, but they're very good at explaining to the business what it means. And so what's happened is that they've moved the perception of data science from people who sit behind the screen to people who stand in front of the screen presenting. And what these data scientists are very good at is, like I said, not only presenting their work and explaining it, but doing it also in a human way. And that means that they show understanding and empathy for their audience. And that understanding and empathy also carries through their work. So when they're running their analysis, they're always thinking to themselves, okay, this has been requested by someone in the business. They've got a challenge, a problem, a question they need answered, and I need to do my work in a way that I can explain it to them so they can then use it to help them move forward in terms of answering their business problem or overcoming the challenge that they have. And so as I'm recruiting now, I am also looking now more for those interpersonal skills, and a lot of my clients are also asking me to help them recruit people who have those interpersonal skills. Now, like I said, I think it's a new breed of data scientists. It's probably potentially people who've worked in the data science space for a few years and have realized that it doesn't matter how great a piece of work you do, if you can't communicate it and articulate it to the business, then it doesn't really get traction. So therefore, these people have learned how to develop their interpersonal skills, or they probably already had those interpersonal skills. They probably use them more now in their job, so that they are so that their work is taken more seriously, but also that they are listened to because they've taken something very complex and made it simple enough or made it clear enough for the business to understand. And this skill set, I think, will not be something that will go away. I think this will be quite core of data scientists. If they don't have these interpersonal skills, I believe they won't progress as much as they can if they did have them. And also, I don't think they'll get the attention that they deserve because, again, they'll be seen as people who are behind the screens doing their work, not the people who are the ones who showcase their work. So one of my advice to people who are data scientists is brush up on your interpersonal skills, get experience of presenting, and also get feedback on, in terms of, you know, when you present something, get feedback on how people interpreted your findings, how they perceived it, and learn how you can be better at doing that. Okay, well, thank you for watching my videos. If you have any comments or questions, please jot them down below. Please do like the video, and of course, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.